I despise streaming with a passion. Streaming is garbage. So, as of right now, I have internet. The box is doing exactly what it should. It's an NVIDIA Shield and is connected to the internet. Let's open up YouTube. Let's go to my subscriptions. We got a VTuber currently live right now. I can load up her and watch her live stream without any problems whatsoever. I back out. Let's say I want to watch that video that was recommended to me. So let's go to here, here, and I can play that video completely fine. So clearly I'm connected to the internet. Clearly everything's working as it should. So let's exit out of YouTube and go to Hulu. So everything is still working as it should. Hulu is trying to get me to watch this garbage. Let's see if it even plays. It's playing an ad. Let's let it run and actually get the actual video running. Okay, so it's in hot ass, 240p, but it's running. So I can watch non-live video. Apparently this is live right now, so I'm going to hit that. So that's running completely fine. Let's go to Dr. Phil, or Pill, or whatever. I can't think of a good name to call him. Running completely fine. South Park. Runs completely fine. You get the general idea. Alright? So when it comes to streaming, I tend to have it muted, and I just have Fox News up and running so I can have white noise. Because 9 times out of 10, I'm just doing something on my computer here, and every now and then I want to look over and see what Fox News is doing. So I just want to have Fox News open. That's all I ask of it to do. It does everything else completely fine. But Fox News? No. That's too difficult. It does this exact same error every single time. I have no idea why. It's only my streaming box that's affected. So let's go back to this, because if I don't, I won't actually be able to swap channels. So just for shits and giggles, let's go to CNN. Ugh, I think I actually want to go and actually watch CNN. You know there's something wrong when I want to watch CNN. I have no idea where it actually is in the list, so I'm going to go all the way up to the top and just scroll. So we got, oh, there they are. Get back here, you garbage network. So I can run CNN completely fine without any issues whatsoever. But the instant I go to Fox News, it does this. I fucking hate streaming services. I want my parents to get rid of Hulu and get rid of all the streaming bullshit so we can go back to cable and have something that's consistent and stable. Because cable fucking is not. And I highly doubt this update will resolve the issue, but I'll hit restart and install, and yeah. So with that said, let's go to my father's streaming box. Alright, sorry about the autofocus. My father has a Roku. I have an NVIDIA Shield. Yay, the autofocus worked again. He also has his hardwired also. My mother's is the only one that's not hardwired. Now, as you can tell, Hulu was already turned on because I initially tried doing this video and Fox News runs completely fine. So let's actually go back and just hit live. So, as you can tell, Fox News on my father's streaming box works completely fine without a problem. So let's actually back out completely and relaunch Hulu. again, works completely fine on my father's streaming box. It works completely fine on my mother's streaming box. I'm not going to show that because she's out there and she's still in the process of waking up and she really doesn't want to be on a video. So, yeah, you got to take my word for it. But with that said, I know what's happening and I know for a fact there's something wrong. Because if it works completely fine on my father's TV or my father's streaming box and my mother's streaming box out in the living room, which is a Apple TV thing, whatever it's called, it should work completely fine on my streaming box, which is an NVIDIA Shield, which is just probably the more powerful of all the streaming boxes in the house. And yet, as you saw with the NVIDIA Shield, it doesn't want to do it. Alright, the streaming box has restarted, so I'll just wait for it to fully come up. Alright, the streaming box is now done and updating and whatnot. Even after updating, it still doesn't want to play. I fucking hate streaming. I really fucking do. And just like that, I am now completely done with streaming. I'm completely fed up with it. It's been nothing but a piece of shit. I uninstalled Hulu per what people were saying to do to fix the error I was having, because if you look closely, you saw what it was. They were saying to uninstall it and reinstall it again. I did that, and of course I wasn't able to log into Hulu because it was saying my password's incorrect or network error, blah 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 blah. And I know full well the password is correct, and I know full well it is not my network. Fucking done with streaming.